Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. A little bit of everything with Erin. Today is Makeup Monday. Now you may have noticed I have a nice background now. We are changing things up. We are making it a little more beauty guru-esque, if you will. I hope that filming this way makes the videos a little easier for you to follow. So today's tutorial is requested by someone on my TikTok. If you don't follow me there, my name will be down in the description box below. I do quick 15-second tutorials on there every day. So the look that they wanted was a reverse cut crease with glitter and using 3 colors. So that's what we went here. I did this sunrise look with a little bit of glitter on there, and I used my favorite colors. I love blending red, orange, and yellow together. They are the 3 colors that blend beautifully together and always come out fantastic. I used the Morphe by James Charles palette, but you can use any palette that has similar colors in it. You can even do all blues, all greens, like you can do any color combination that you want to do. All right, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to, you know that always helps me out and I appreciate when you do. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, let's roll right into this tutorial. So we're going to start off with my favorite brush. It's an e.l.f. crease brush. I like the crease brushes because they're great for packing color because they're so dense. We're going to go and grab B from the James Charles palette, but any yellow will do. I've gone ahead and primed my eyes with the ColourPop concealer in Fair. I like that because it is a white shade, and this helps the lighter bright colors like yellow and orange to really pop off of my skin. And I'm going to pack the yellow into the first third of my eye, and I'm going to be doing that in the inner corner. I'm not too worried about as we get closer to the eyelid, but mostly up into the upper part of the eye and making sure to blend out that edge after I pack some color. After I packed the yellow, I decided I really want this look to have a nice sharp edge, so I'm going ahead and adding some washi tape to the edges of my eyes. Washi tape is not hard on the skin, it's very easy to pull off, but use whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to use an e.l.f. blending brush. This one is bigger than the crease brush, and I use that because it's going to take up more space on the eye. We're going to pick up the color 815. That's the orange at the top. And we're going to start packing that on the next third of the eye. And you're going to go a little bit into that yellow and just kind of blend it in. If you have to go back with the yellow to blend the 2 colors, you'll want to do that. And just, again, make sure you lightly buff out that outer edge so it just kind of fades up into the brow bone and it does not look harsh. When I'm trying to blend 2 colors together, I take one brush and go over the other color and then just go over it again with the other color, and it just really helps make that blend look seamless. And just keep doing this until you're happy with how the 2 colors look. Now we're going to pick up You're Kidding, which is the red tone, on another e.l.f. blending brush. And just like the 2 colors previously, we are going to pack and blend. And we're going to just kind of blend the orange and the red together this time, doing the same technique that we did with the yellow and the orange. Now to make sure your line is nice and sharp, if you do the tape, make sure you go just over the tape. That way you know you went right up to that line and it's all even. This is what it should kind of look like. I know it's messy, but trust the process. Now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in Fair. That's their white. I always apply it to the back of my hand so that I don't mix any colors back into the clean bottle. Now taking a Morphe M421, it's just a nice flat brush, I'm going to go ahead and carefully cut my crease. I start out by applying some of the concealer to the bottom of my lid, and then I look straight up and roll my eye. You can see where that white transferred. That's where I'll have transfer from the other colors that I lay down. So that's how high I want to cut my crease. I like to use a flat round brush because I'm going to let that do most of the work just by kind of doing a stamping motion and feeling that crease in my eye and just kind of following that down to the inner corner of my eye. Then you just want to fill in that gap. Now normally this is where I stop for a cut crease, but we're doing this one a little different. So I'm going to follow that brow bone down, fill that in, and then just kind of bring it up like it's a winged liner. And then we'll do the same thing to the other eye. Because this is a reverse cut crease, we're going to reverse the colors. So right under the yellow, we're going to pack that red. So just follow where you have the yellow and then just let that kind of blur out because we're going to pack that orange next to it. Now you're going to place your orange right over that red. And again, finish the orange where the orange is finished at the top. Just pack and blend just like we did up above. Just be careful. You don't really want to go over that crease line. It's not a huge deal if you do because it's just orange over orange, but we want to make sure we keep that nice and clean. And finally, we're going to pack and blend that yellow into the tail end of that eye look. And make sure you pack that color in really well and blend it into the orange. I took some white NYX liner and lined my waterline in it, and I'm going to take the red and I'm going to put that in the waterline and just under my lash line. So just pop some of that red under the lash line as well. Don't worry if it's too messy. We are going to clean all that up here in a second. I'm going to go back in with the orange and just kind of buff that red out with that. And you guessed it, we're going to take the yellow next and then just buff the orange out with that. Then you want to take a nice big fluffy brush and just kind of blend that all together so it looks nice and doesn't look like we just packed some color under there. Now we want to separate the cut crease, so I'll be using this glitter by Dear Katie Brown. I will link her website on the description box below. And this is just a glitter liner, and this is in gold. You don't need any glue for this, which I love, and you can layer it up too. So I'm just going to follow the line that we made with the glitter until I'm happy with the coverage. Then you just got to decide how far you want this to go out. When I do a reverse cut crease, because the colors are all the same, I do like to bring it all the way out to the tail to really give it that separation. It just makes the look finished, and you'll see that here in a moment. So this is both eyes with the glitter. I went over it twice and got this nice bold gold line. Alright, I'm going to go add mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and added a wing, some lashes, mascara. What do we think? Do we love it? Are we living for it? What color combination would you do? I was very happy with this look. I'm not going to lie, I got a lot of compliments at work this night. It's just a look that goes over really well. And again, I love this color combination. They blend seamlessly. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to see anything else, leave me a comment down below. Until next time, bye!